back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show is about the miracles of silicone products for your kitchen. I've ordered a few of these. I have cupcake holders. You can make things like cupcakes and put them right in the oven and they won't melt. I have these nice spoon holders which will replace my plastic spoon holder. And it just looks like this. Here's a plastic mat which you can use for your kitchen counter. And it looks like this. If I can get it out of the package. And you can put this here and then put your kitchen things on while you're cooking. This is supposed to be for pulling hot things out of the oven. So you open up your oven like this. You're supposed to pull this out. I gotta tell you, this doesn't work real well. This probably works for some things, but I burnt my fingers trying this. So I would say avoid this one. I would say that's not a tool that I'm gonna like or keep. The rest of these, they're fantastic. Washable. It's great. I'm excited about them. That's my tip for the day. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.